Nowadays, when it's getting warmer outside, you drive around with your windows down, you may hear things when you're driving. One of the things that happens, tires on the road can make noise, but when you're driving and you hear a humming sound, that humming may be from a wheel bearing. This vehicle here had a wheel bearing that's failed. We installed a new wheel bearing. The noise is going to be gone. One of the ways to tell a wheel bearing is when you're driving down the road and you hear the noise, if you lean the car to the left or right, the pitch will change. Other things can cause that. That's certainly indication of a wheel bearing. If you get noise, get it into us, we'll get you taken care of.